Good morning, students. In class of arithmetic, the explanation of set. In the last class, we have seen the types of sets. Those were universal set, finite set, infinite set, singleton or unit set, empty or null set, overlapping or joint set, disjoint set, equivalent set, and equal sets. These three topics are left. Explanation of subset. Explanation of subset. The explanation of subset: if A and B are two sets, A and B are two sets, A is called subset of B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. Element, or you can say member. So we shall try to understand this through one example. Let us consider A is 2, 4, 6 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what are we saying? 2 is the element of set A as well as 2 is the element of set B. 4 is the element of set A, 4 is also the element of set B. 6 is the element of set A, 6 is also the element of set B. So we say all the elements of set A belong to the set B. Therefore, A became subset of B. This is the symbol of subset. I have written here in an example in bracket. A is subset of B. If these elements will not belong to this set B, then we say A is not subset of B. For that we can take example. This we say in this way: A equal to 2, 4, 6. B equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. So not a single element of set A belong to set B. Means these elements 2, 4, 6 are not the elements of set B. Therefore we say A is not a subset of B. But if the elements belong of set A in set B, then we say A is subset of B. This will be subset of B, not this. A will be subset of B. Next topic is superset. In a statement I have written, if A and B are any two sets, and if A is the subset of B, A is subset of B, then we say B is superset of A. This is the symbol of superset. Then B is superset of A. For example, suppose A equal to 2, 4, 6. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, what are we saying? A is subset of B because all the elements of set A belong to set B. In that case, B became superset of A. This is the symbol of superset. B became superset of A. If A is subset of B, then B will be superset of A. Now our next topic is proper subset. In the statement I have written, if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets, A is said to be proper subset of B if every element of set A is also an element of set B, and there should be at least one element in set B that is not the element of set A. For this definition we take the example. Suppose A is 2, 4, 6. B is 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what are you saying? All these elements belong to set B. So and at least one element, that is one at least one, that is, but here in this example there is more than one. 1, 3 and 5, these three elements do not belong to set A. So we say A is proper subset of B, means all the elements should belong to B, but at least one element of B should not belong to A. In that case, A will be proper subset of B. Now our next topic is number of subset of a finite set. Finite set, you know, suppose A is equal to 2, 4, 6, these three elements are there. So if you write the subset of this, then phi is the first element. Phi is the first subset of all the set. First became phi. Second, we write these three separately: 2, 4, 2, 4 and 6. Okay. Now we write in pair 2, 4, then 4, 6, then 2, 6. Now if you write in another way, that is 4, 2, 6, 4, 6, 2, that will not be considered because the elements are repeated again and again. For that we write only once in pair, and at last we write all those three together, that is 2, 4, 6. These became the subsets. So if the number of elements, you can understand, if the number of elements will be very large, then it is difficult to find out the number of subsets, how many number of subsets will be there. Here in this case I can write an A equal to how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if these elements are so many elements are of set A, then to find the number of subsets is very difficult. For that we use this formula. What is this formula? Na equal to 2 to the power n. So here n, how many? This is the value of n. 1, 2, 3. I kept 3 and we are getting 8. So number of subsets will be 8. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, here if there are so many, suppose here A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, these many are, and we are asked to find out number of subsets. So right here base 2 and power will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means we will multiply 2 7 times. So we are getting 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 ja 64, 64 ja 64, 2 ja 128. 128 subset will be of set A. So this is the formula to find the number of subsets of a finite set. Na, that is the number of subsets, equal to 2 to the power n, where n is the number of elements. And our last topic of explanation is to find the number of proper subsets. Here A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We are asked to find the number of proper subset of set A. Then we write Na equal to, this formula will use 2 to the power n. The value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1. We calculate it. We'll multiply to 5 times 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. 32 minus 1 equal to 31. So the number of proper subset will be 31. And in this way, we completed the explanation of set, and now we are going to start exercise 6b, in which the first question is state which of the given sets are finite set, find the cardinal number of finite set.